Here it is. There it is. I see. It's a big truck going into the street. No problem fitting in the street, I guess. Center bypass. Cats. Very nice. Not bad at all. Not bad. Looks good. Initial impression looks good. Yeah, I'm gonna need those ramps. Right on. Yeah, that front lip is really low. I guess we can just double park it right here. It's fine. Just double park it. That looks awesome, actually. Wow. Wow. Thank you. All right, let's do some paperwork. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So as you can see, we just took delivery of a 2007 997.1 GT3, even though as you can see it has a .2 front bumper, but it is what it is. Let's just do a quick walkthrough. I guess I'll just show you just right off the truck. So it's gonna be dirty and there's some stuff that we're gonna see all together. I went through it already on my own. It's not like a cream puff. It's not a pristine condition car. So just give you guys a warning. This is a driver's car. I think it was tracked maybe a few times. So, but here it is. I'm just gonna give you guys a quick round view. So there you go. As you can see, overall it's not too bad. It has 32,000 miles, and it's generally in okay condition, I would say. So my goal with this car is obviously to kind of restore it, you know, play with it a little bit, but mainly just restoring it a little bit here and there. Um, I'm not gonna go overboard with this because of the, you know, what the car is. It's not like a cream puff or anything, so I'm not gonna go overspend on this. So I'm just gonna do my best and see, you know, the most cost-effective thing I could do to kind of restore it to its glory. Mainly getting it back to OEM spec. I mean, I do like the 997.2 bumper. What do you guys think? Let me know. Should I keep it or not keep it? Here's the shot from far away. It does fit. It does look great. It has a cup. It has a GT3 cup lip, which is larger than normal. As you can see, it hangs a little bit lower than usual. This is a common mod because this one is more flexible than the OEM one. So when you scrape it, it already has scrapes, as you can see. It doesn't break easily. So it has the stock GT3 wheels, steel brakes, as you can see. Stock spoiler. The spoiler is not original. I just noticed that. Not original. Bumper, I'm not sure. I have to check, verify what is original and what's not original. So yeah, so it's definitely a driver's car. It's not gonna be pristine or anything. Alcantara will need to be worked on and all that. So it has a RSS roll cage and it has sofas. So it is what it is, but we're gonna work with it. 32,000 miles, but whatever miles it has, it made it count. So GT3s, the rationale in getting these cars are getting harder and harder to find. They were cheap years ago, but you know, I was aiming for the RS, and the RS just got away from me. So I'm gonna get the GT3 for now, play with it, and when I can afford the GT3 RS, then I will. 997.2 or later generation RSs, I'll see if I can afford. But for now, we will play with the GT3. So this is it. You know, I mainly ride motorcycles, but sometimes when I get into cars, I kind of like certain cars. So I had a C4S, 2007 4S a long time ago, and I kind of miss being on a Porsche. So here we are, we're back. And it's going to be a journey getting this back to its glory, but I like how it's black and it matches the TRX in black, and it's just I just love it. So parked in the garage, it's just black cars. It's nice, man. No modifications actually on this. No modifications. It's all stock. It has a center bypass. That's it. I don't know what brand yet. It has a center bypass right there, as you can see. Yeah, it's a little grimy down there. I have to do an extensive clean. I have to do an extensive cleaning of the car, so it's, just bear with me. Interior is okay. Like I said, missing some pieces here and there. Let's see. So here's the view of the inside. Missing some pieces here and there. Like I said, it's gonna be a project. It's gonna be a journey getting this back to its glory. But here it is, GT3. There. So, but overall, it's an okay condition. But like I said, it's expensive now, this car. So price-wise, out of transparency, this is very expensive nowadays. The GT3 is getting rarer and rarer, especially in a black color. And I know the condition of this is not the pristine type example, and that's okay because for me, I like putting my personal touch on it and restoring it, and that gives me some fulfillment. So that's okay. I'll work on it. And this is actually in the low end of the market because of what it is. I think so the asking price was 140, 130-ish is the asking price. I paid the asking price plus the taxes in California plus shipping, put me up to 148-ish shipped to me. So that's it, out the door and everything. So yeah, it's crazy expensive. It used to be 80, this car, when I was in college and everything. So it used to be an $80,000 car. So, but it is what it is. The times is the times, and now, you know, we have it. Ideally, if I can get it to the point where I can live with it, that it's satisfactory to me, I don't mind keeping it and just getting the RS as an addition, not sell this one, you know, because it's such a nice driving car. That if you overlook the imperfections of it, it's just also the look of it and the size. The newer ones are just so big. So this one is just, it's just the right amount of size, the right amount of curvature, just the right amount of power too. It's 400 something, 415, I believe. We'll see. I still have to do a major service on this thing, so because it's not up to date, of course, as usual. It's not up to date, so I gotta do a major service. So I just there's a few things to be done. So if you follow my channel, if you're following my channel, not because of this car, but now you are, then there's gonna be more videos about this car as we go along in the journey to restoring it. So that's it for now. I'm gonna give this car a serious wash. And I go through everything, see what else I'm missing, and start ordering some parts. So, but here we are, back to a Porsche 911. Yeah, there it is. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.